Model, 67-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 Eprise Bluehdi Genuine Low Mileage Long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,060. MOT, the 30th of September 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition. It pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, air-con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,325.